Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will help you out by showing how to name any mob in Minecraft. This works with both passive mobs and hostile mobs, and it's actually surprisingly easy, just the step one is a little bit difficult. You want to get one of these, a name tag, which you can find in dungeons, in ancient cities, and by fishing, I believe. There may be some more methods, but that's the ones from the top of my head. Then you want to go to an anvil and put it in, then give it a name. So let's name our animal Jeff, because why not? Then let's find a lucky mob over here. And one of our sheep is now going to be called Jeff. Let's go for this one. So this is Jeff. Nice to meet you, Jeff. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. You can use this for hostile mobs as well, like I said, to make sure that they never despawn, which is ideal using like a mob farmer or zombifying villagers, or even getting an endermite in your enderman farm. I've got one of those in there as well. So it's got many uses, and this is one of them that's not very useful, but just to show it off. If we could help you out with this video, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.